For decades, signing up for military service carried a very specific assumption. You were strapping in for a lifelong career, and once you stepped through those doors, you were locked into a rigid path until retirement. The Agnipath Scheme changes that model. It operates as a concentrated 4-year leadership and skill incubator built specifically for young adults between 17.5 and 21 years old. This timeline maps out the temporal architecture of the scheme. You start with an intensive 6 months dedicated entirely to training, immediately followed by 3.5 years of active operational deployment. This 4-year cap reframes the experience as a high-level stepping stone, positioning recruits for a wide range of professional paths immediately after their service concludes. The financial return is built on a scaling monthly package. It starts at 30,000 rupees in year 1 and grows to 40,000 by year 4, while a 48 lakh rupee non-contributory life insurance policy provides continuous cover. This growth is coupled with a savings mechanism. 30% of the monthly package is channeled into a locked corpus fund. For every rupee contributed, the central government provides a matching 100% contribution every single month. Upon discharge, the recruit unlocks the Seva Nidhi package, a tax-free lump sum of approximately 11.71 lakh rupees. There is also a pathway back into the regular cadre. Up to 25% of the highest-performing recruits from each batch are selected for permanent enrollment in the armed forces. Combining the 11 lakh Seva Nidhi payout with the 25% retention rate provides a level of early career liquidity and long-term security rarely found in other entry-level positions. Accessing those benefits requires navigating a strict administrative pipeline, beginning with non-negotiable documentary barriers. Identity verification is the first step. Every applicant must provide a valid Aadhaar card. Age eligibility is enforced with equal rigor. A Class 10 or matriculation certificate is mandatory to prove the applicant falls within the 17.5 to 21 age window. Finally, an active bank account is required to handle the processing of the customized monthly salary packages. Without this triad of documents, an applicant cannot clear the basic compliance threshold, ending their journey before the selection process even begins. Once documents are verified, candidates enter a 4-step selection sequence. It begins with digital registration on the official portal and a computer-based common entrance exam to establish a cognitive baseline. Step 3 moves from digital testing to physical reality. Shortlisted candidates attend recruitment rallies for strict physical measurement and fitness tests. These physical and medical standards are applied across all branches, ensuring a consistent baseline whether a candidate is joining the Army, Navy, or Air Force. The final filter involves a rigorous verification of all original paperwork. Only those who clear this final check are placed on the merit list to receive their call letters. This execution model is designed as a meritocracy, utilizing data-driven testing and physical performance to select only the most resilient candidates. Aspiring Agniveers must also be aware of external threats, specifically predatory recruitment rings and unauthorized third parties looking to exploit applicants. Protection begins with a simple fact. Applying for the Agnipath Scheme is entirely free. No private agent is illegally authorized to charge processing or recruitment fees. Applicants should be wary of 3 specific tactics: fake digital portals, fraudulent call letters, and coaching syndicates that promise guaranteed selection in exchange for payment. All selection authority and official communication stay within the recognized government infrastructure and its official digital domains. Successfully entering this incubator requires both physical endurance and intellectual vigilance. Use verified platforms like NirmanKit to build your execution roadmap and ensure your journey remains secure.